Hi guys, welcome to TOI Tech and this is Sulabh Puri, and we've got a special unboxing for you. This is the new iPad Pro and we are going to just reveal the contents inside the box. This is the 128GB version and let's see what's inside. Alright guys, so this is the new iPad Pro 128GB. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. There you go. So here's the 12.9-inch screen tablet, and it's not very heavy. It's about 723 grams, and it's dressed in gold. Let's just rip off the stickers. Bring the machine out from its covers. Right, so let's see what else is inside the box. So you've got your manual over here, your charger right here, charge port, and your cable neatly packed over here. So that's about it. Those are the contents of the box. Let's turn it on and see how it works. So at the back you have an 8 megapixel camera, a 1.2 megapixel camera for selfies. Inside it has a 4GB RAM built on the latest A9X Apple chipset. So the first look of the iPad is quite awesome. I mean, this is of course larger than the previous version. It has 4 speakers located on the sides, 2 at bottom and 2 at top, and this is Wi-Fi and cellular ready. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the new iPad. This is Sulabh Puri from TOI Tech. Stay glued as we bring you the review of the iPad in the coming days.